Want to turn your photos into a smooth, eye-catching Instagram reel? Today I will show you step by step how to make a reel using multiple pictures right inside the Instagram app. Launch your Instagram. Now click on the plus option. You'll be directed to this page. Now set it to reel. Then check in for the pictures that you wanna upload as a reel. Once you are done selecting the pictures, you can click on next. Now from here you are able to select the audio, then you can click on next or you can skip this process. Now from this page you are able to edit your reel. You are able to add text, stickers, music. Likewise, reorder the pictures, add captions, filter it, and once you are done, you can head towards next page. Now you can edit the cover page for your reel. Likewise, customize these settings, tag people, add location, and once you are done, click on share. So this is how you can easily make reels on Instagram with multiple photos. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.